What is up, everybody? I hope everybody's doing great. This video is going to be very helpful for you guys, for those who just got the cords. So this is pretty much tips and tricks. Make sure to watch the whole video because you're going to miss out on some tricks, and you probably looking for that trick either way, or tips, So let's get started. So let's just say you're chilling, right? Sorry, it's dark, of course. Let's say you're chilling somewhere and you just want your car lights to be off and you want your car to be on. So what you want, right, is to turn on the car, as I'm going to do right now. And you see how the lights turn on over there? So that's what we don't want that, right? You don't want that. So if you keep that on off and you turn it on, it's going to stay off. Got it? So you see how it's completely off now? There's the daytime running lights are off right now. So that's what you want. So make sure, even this thing, you can kind of dim it down, whatever, on the side here somewhere, but the lights are off, of course. But either way, I'm gonna show you real quick. See this? Even if you touch this button right here, the light will turn on. Watch.
Please depress the brake pedal to release the parking brake.
Okay. You see that? It just turned on. Not the headlights, but the daytime. My e-brake's on right now, but these lights are gonna stay on now for the whole time. They're not gonna go off. See, even if I turn it on, the headlights, turn it off, it's not gonna go off. So if you wanna stay low-key darkness, you don't want the, you don't wanna touch anything when you turn on the car, and make sure the lever is on off, everything here. So that's that. And also I wanna show you guys real quick. You know how you have an auto high beam is on when you go to a dark place and the high beam turns on automatically? And if you don't like that, you want to turn it off, all you gotta do is, let me turn on this light real quick. All you gotta do is, you see it's on off right now, you gotta pull and hold for like a minute until you see like the letter A flash. I believe that's what it is. So I'm still holding it, you're gonna see it flash. When that flashes, that means it'll be turned off because mine is currently on. So still going. Come on. There, you see that? That was a flash right there. So that means now I let go of the lever. That means my auto high beam is currently, it's off now. So if you want to turn it back on, you just do the same thing and hold it for like a minute and it will turn back on. So yeah, that's a nice trick. Probably a small hack. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. In the meantime, I'll wait for this to turn back on. Come on. And there's another trick I'm about to show you right now, which a lot of people like because we love the Accord headlights, right? There you go, now it's on. So since we love the headlights, you want to make sure that you have it on auto. And what we want here is, if you go to settings and you go to vehicle and then you go to lighting setup, and then you go to come down and then you go to headlight auto off timer. Right? So mine's at 15 seconds. So yours, some of you guys are gonna have it 0 seconds, okay? So I'm gonna put that on save. So it's on 0 seconds right now. So I'm gonna go all the way back. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way back now and I'm gonna turn off the car. Where's my key at? Alright, I got it. So here's the deal. We love our Accords. Let me just lock it. Okay, it's locked now. So we love our Accords, right? And when at nighttime or evening time, when you press the unlock button, you want those headlights to turn on. I don't know about the fog lights, if it turn on or not. I forgot. I think they do. But since mine is on 0 seconds right now, right? It's not gonna turn on. Look, I press unlock at night. See, the lights don't turn on. They're just dead. So if you have this problem and you're like, you want to get it fixed, so you get in the car and you can just turn on the accessories. You don't even have to turn on the car. So, come on. Okay, so you would go to settings. Let's do this right now and focus. All right, go to vehicle and where is it? Lighting setup. The headlight auto turn off timer. You want to put it on 15 seconds. You can have it on for 30 seconds or 60 seconds depending on how long it takes to get to your house or your front door. However long you want your driveway, who cares? I put it 15 seconds. Put it on save. And it's saved. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off accessory mode. And guess what? It's gonna take, now it's locked, right? It's gonna take 15 seconds for it to turn off. All right, see? Now let's say you're heading to your car. I'm gonna press the unlock button. Voila. Look at that. Now you want to walk to your car in action. I feel you guys. I know you guys. I feel the same way. So, yeah, there you have it. So if you don't use it, like let's say 15 seconds, it turns off. But once you come to your car and you open the car door, it will turn back on. That's one thing. And another tip is that I gotta show you guys is that I think I'm gonna use I probably don't need it, it's fine. So, now it's locked. So one thing, let's say it's a very hot day, right? Probably can't see it right now. I'll do that some other time. But either way, yeah, so I'll show you another tip right now real quick. Last one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this key out, the manual key. Come on. I'm trying to take out the manual key. All right, I got the key out. All right, the key's out. I'm gonna put this in my pocket. All right, so here's the thing, guys. So let's say your car is on and you want to grab something, right? And you know how some cars you can actually lock it? Let me show you guys real quick. Well, of course, they make that noise. You see, I'm trying to lock it, but it's not getting locked. So what you do is you can leave this remote inside here. I'm gonna leave that remote inside there, and you take this key, right? And you would close the door, and you would put it where the door thing is, a key, and you just twist it to the left, and all the doors are locked. I can't get in now, so all the doors are locked. So now you go ahead, grab your coffee, whatever you want, but when you do come back, you do have to, let me see which way you gotta twist it. To the right. So twist it to the right, and there you have it. Now the door's open. So there you go. This way your car's not stolen or anything like that. And last but least, I'm gonna add this clip as well, where let's say your phone is plugged in on CarPlay and sometimes it lags, it just turns off or blacks out and restarts the screen. So that's the last tip I'm going to show you guys. I did it in my friend's car. So I'm going to add that clip to this clip right now. So that's how you reset that screen. All right. So that's it so far. And make sure you watch the full video for all these tips. And I appreciate the support so far you guys been watching. And I hope this helps you guys out. Comment below if it did. Comment below if you learned something. And stay tuned and keep watching. Peace out.
Your uptime system.
All right, this is how you guys, if you guys have a problem with, like CarPlay and your USB is connected to the phone and it like resets by itself and it disappears and it keeps glitching, so you might want to reset the screen, and this is how you do it. So I'm gonna give his IG, give him some credit. So his IG is in the description. So make sure you guys follow. I'm gonna show you guys real quick.
First, you want to check the uptime. Right?
Yeah, so you'll see the uptime.
System. About. Status. So I just did it.
He just
so
reset it.
It's a minute 20.
See uptime.
If you haven't, obviously, if you didn't, it'll be like 100
yeah,
hours,
you'll
20
see a
hours.
lot. Exactly.
So this is the way to check if it worked or not. So
Got
it's
you.
at minute 30, right? You turn off the car.
Turn it off.
You turn it fully on.
When you turn it on, yep, you go
fully
right.
On, reverse, neutral.
And you go to reverse and neutral smoothly. It's already in there. So you see the
Boom.
screen is like
First time
lagging.
work. And
And you can put it in
it'll
park
take
afterwards.
like 5-10 seconds to load up.
Yeah.
You'll know it worked if this is blacked out for like
See,
a couple
this is
seconds.
blacked out.
And then it's resetting.
That's how you know it's being reset.
Yeah.
There. And then you'll see it's
like lagging.
see it's lagging a little bit because it's
Resetting
reloading. It's reset it. So now you go settings.
Seconds. You reset.
30 seconds. See, just reset it. So all you gotta do is turn it off. And as you start it, you would go once you hear the engine start, just put it in reverse, neutral, like reverse, neutral, and back to park, and you'll see the screen black out for a few seconds, and you'll see all that what you just saw in this video. And that's the last clip. That's it.